we're going to open our Ubuntu, then find the terminal and run the app. So after you run the app, to print all the environment variables, just type print env, then or print env command, then press enter to show the all environmental variables. So we'll type print env, enter. So it's showing our the variables. So the first, if you want to set the variable, you can use the export command, and so we'll type export our variable, my var for variable name, value mga 10. So enter. So it's already set the variable. So next is how to access the home directory. So you can type cd $, then home, and press enter. You just hit the $, and pwd, just enter. So it can show you the working directory. So next, if you want to modify the variables, you just need to just type export, then variable name my var, and your value. So value is your 10. We're going to change it in 21. So enter, and then you want to verify this. Just type the echo $, my var, and just press enter. So it's already modified. So the next is, if you want to remove the variable, just type the echo, the variable name, my var, which is $, my var, then press enter. So then to remove it, you just need to unset. Just type unset, then my var, the variable name, and enter. So, and to verify the removal, you just need to echo, then my var, the variable name, then press enter. Echo, then my var, $, my var, the variable name, then enter. So it's already removed. That's all. Thank you.